Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to draw an owl, but not just any kind of owl. This is going to be a barn owl. So we're going to start with his eyes. We're going to draw two big circles. Alright, then when we have that done, we're going to draw this circle near the top, this circle near the top, and then a smaller circle, and then this little bean shape. When we're done with that, we're going to color in the big circle, and we're going to leave the little circles and the little areas white. We'll do that to both of the eyes. Do that to both of the eyes. All right, perfect. Now that we have that done, we're going to draw his little beak. And then we can start drawing his head. So basically his head is just a big circle. So we're drawing part of it. Then we'll add some feathers up here. And then we'll continue with that circle. So he has a very round head. But to really emphasize that he's a barn owl, we're going to add some detail to his face. So we're going to draw this. Imagine like we're drawing the inside of an apple, almost like a heart shape. And it's going to go all the way around. Now the great thing about owls is they're really easy to draw. Honestly, I think just drawing the wing is the hardest part, and even then it's not that bad. We're drawing this curved line with some feathers on it, and then we're going to bring it down. Yeah, then we'll connect that line. Then we're going to draw some more feathers here. See, they start out longer and they end up being shorter the further we go. And they're basically like these U shapes. All right, awesome. We made the wing. Then we're going to make his body. So again, he has these little U shapes for feathers. And then it comes down a little bit. We're going to leave room for his feet. So the lines don't quite connect all the way. So there's his body. Then we're going to do that other wing here. We can only see a little bit of it. Yeah, then we can move on to his feet. So we're going to draw this fluffy feathery area first. And then his legs are going to be skinnier than that. So boop. And then we're going to draw his little talons. So doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo, boop. And then it goes back in. And then literally the same thing here. Boop, 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 boop. And then it goes back in. Guess what, guys? Just one more thing. Well, after we add some more feathers, of course. But just one more thing we need to add. I'm sure you guys can guess what that is. We need his tail. So we're going to draw some feathers here. Some pretty long feathers. And they're just going to connect right back up. Then you can color your barn owl. They are brown, white, and yellow. And thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.